Assalamu alaikum my YouTube friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding denim jute handbag designs and different crafts ideas. It's a very beautiful, amazing and outstanding and very useful craft and very decent, amazing different jute and burlap craft ideas. Jute handbag is a timeless jute burlap handbags, and jute handbags show mindful fashion choice. Respect is reflected in what we choose to wear, and these bags encourage cushions living. Burlap textures connected with real life, and respecting simplicity brings inner peace. Jute bags are gentle on natural and people. Respectful fashion never goes out of style, and these craft ideas inspire of thoughtful habits. Respect means caring for future generations, and jute fashion supports a greener tomorrow. Handmade bottles carry positive energy, and respecting artisans keeps traditions alive. Burlap baskets speak quietly but strongly, and true respect shows in daily actions. Jute bags are symbols of care and dignity, and respect for nature brings true elegance. These bottles remind us to choose wisely, and respect is a lifestyle, not a trend. Let your fashion reflect respect and kindness, and choose jute, choose respect, choose a better world. All ideas is very creative. When you choose natural materials, we show care and respect. Jute handbags handbags and hand bottles in jute bags is craft is very creative. Eco-friendly choices today protect tomorrow's world, and burlap amazing different baskets ideas is amazing and very useful and very creative. And you let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, highly demanding and very creative and decent craft ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Most beautiful, most demanding, different articles and different style. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.